south in San Diego, putting up the first on-location sticker, pre-border crossing. Pretty exciting. Where are we putting it?
We're gonna put it when the boss gets here. I'll tell him about it, and we'll put it on the refrigerator right there.
You heard it, guys, on the refrigerator. We're gonna take a picture of all of us.
Hold on, get in there.
I just had the greatest like local pub experience in San Diego. I'm actually in Lemon Grove, but it's, you know, part of San Diego. I just man, I love meeting local people who are like so close to where I'm going. They had so much great advice, and wow, it was so amazing. I met all these great dudes. I met this guy who was 71 who gave me a bunch of advice, and like 5 other guys who told me everywhere to go in Baja, and like one guy wrote me a get out of jail free card. Like he's like, if you get in trouble, just hand them this and they'll let you go. Like man, I'm having the greatest time. I love it here. I'm gonna go meet up with some friends, and yeah, hit the border tomorrow. I got an appointment at 9 a.m. to get my tires changed. I could not be more excited. I'm so pumped. All right, see you guys soon. What's up, guys? Day 4. I'm so excited getting new tires right now. Working on a bike. I got a few errands to run. Need to get some locks, bike cover, a new GoPro adapter because mine stopped working yesterday. And then hit that fucking border, man. Really excited. Been dreaming about this day for a long time. So I'm gonna take the 94 to Tecate. I'm gonna cross there instead of at Tijuana, and then I'm gonna go to Ensenada and just start feeling it out. I have a lot of places to visit in Baja, so I want to get started. I can't wait. Yeah, it should be my first day in Mexico tonight. Very excited. All right. We have a bike cover. Still no front fender though. I haven't been able to find one. But there is a motorcycle wrecking yard at the border, I guess. So maybe I'll find one there. I mean, if not, whatever. It's not like I have no fender. New locks for the Pelican case. Cover. Camera bag. Shinko 705s, front and rear. And it's only like 11:30, so doing good. Well, I made it to the border, but I didn't print any of the stuff I was supposed to beforehand, of course. Typical, but that's why I gave myself all day to do this. So I need to get Mexican insurance. I need to print that out over there, and I need to get my import permit and make sure I cross all my T's, dot all my I's. Wow, I can't believe I'm here. This is amazing. The border, Tecate. My new friends at Anytime ADV are having some bike problems. But we're gonna put this F800 in this truck. Bye, Anytime ADV. Having my Tecate in Tecate, as is tradition. Yeah, I mean, I've never crossed the border to Tijuana, but this is fucking awesome. Like, this is really chill. Nothing crazy going on here. There's barely anyone here at all, actually. And there's everything you need. You know, if you need to print something, like, I just had to print some insurance paperwork. That was no sweat. This is a nice place to cross. That's like I don't know, 40 minutes from San Diego. It's nice. This is it, guys. So stoked. Gotta get my copies made.
Original papers.
Hola, perro. All right. Hey, look at what we're at. It's that's the Mexican border. It's Tecate. I'm just coming over here to get a import permit, and then apparently I have to go back and pay for it, and then we'll actually go into Mexico. Hey, look, it's our first toll base. Those things are really annoying. going? Okay. So, what the hell do I do now? Where do I get import paperwork and get my passport stamped? Is it further that way? Wait here?
You can park right here and then walk in through that area over there.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. We did it! We did it! All set. That's it. I'm good. We're done. We did it. Right there. First, talking to Mexico.
It rained last night, and I realized that like 3 in the morning that I had forgotten to take a bunch of stuff from the area out back. Let's go see how wet my stuff is. I moved them inside, but... Nice. Completely dry. Whew, that was a close one. Don't worry, darling. I know you've been sitting there all day. We're leaving soon. It's okay. It's okay.
Hell yeah. All right. Leaving Ensenada. La Bufadora. Sorry. That's where we're going. All right. We got a little bit of rain in Mexico. On the way to La Bufadora. That's sweet. They're sharing a coat. Interesting that it happened to be exactly twice their size. So La Bufadora is a local tourist attraction, really popular with all the people getting off the cruise ships. It's normally slammed when there's a ship in port. There's a ship that just came in a couple hours ago, so we'll see how it is. It's basically like a natural blowhole in the ocean. The wind gets all swept up into this area and it shoots water like 100 feet in the air. It's supposed to be really cool. We'll have to see. All right, getting pretty close, just about 5 kilometers away. This drive is wonderful. Loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah, this is amazing. Wow. Wow, so pretty. Alright, I think this is it, judging by the ridiculous amount of touristy nonsense. Everybody wants to charge you for parking. I'm not doing that. I don't know, if they try to stop me, I don't know. Alright, they seem to have all right, here we go. Look at this touristy mess. Woo! Man, everybody's slanging over here. All right, let's go see if this Bufadora is blowing today. No thanks. bad. So this is it right here. Water runs into this channel. And it's like a little blowhole. Okay, that's kind of cool. Well, it's certainly very beautiful here, and people seem to like it, but it's probably the most tourist trap fanfare I've ever seen for something that's, I mean, relatively innocuous. There's probably a million places like that in the world. Whatever, it's cool. Definitely worth the 25 pesos I paid for parking. All right, I'm gonna go drive up this mountain. It's probably gonna be way more interesting than this. Let's go. Hey guys, any more? There's an unspoken rule when you're riding that if you put the liners back in your jacket, it'll be a beautiful day. I put it back in this morning. Pretty much saying, well, I'll put them in and then it'll be really hot and I'll be uncomfortable. But yeah, it worked out really well. It's gorgeous now. All right, let's go get up the mountain. Yeah, so that's the mountain we're going up right now. We're going up there. My buddy Michael told me to get to that radio tower. So we're gonna try to find a road that goes up there. Oh, they just drove over there. Okay, I think I just saw where you can go. De la Punta. Alright, let's see what we have here. What is this dirt have in store for us? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Well, guys. What an amazing first patch of dirt in the Baja. This is incredible. Baja's already exceeded my expectations. So if you're gonna go see the giant blowhole thing, I mean, stop by, it's worth stopping by. It's free other than parking. But the top of this little mountain that you pass on the way there is definitely the jam. Absolutely gorgeous. They've had a decent amount of rain here lately, so everything's pretty green. So I went down a different way than I went up. And I don't really know where this goes, but check out this when we get around this corner. Yeah, right here. Yeah, look at that island. Looks like we got another gate, so I guess we're going back up the mountain. Here we go. This is what it's all about, guys. This is why I'm out here. I'm just looking for fun stuff. Like, there is nothing in the world more fun than this. Hola. Buenos días. All right, we got a military checkpoint. Haven't had one of these yet. They're probably just gonna wave me through. We'll see. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Bien?
Bien. Sí, bueno, gracias. This is my favorite thing ever. I love these kind of roads. Baja is so much greener than I ever imagined it would be. It's absolutely gorgeous. I didn't think I was going to see anything this green until further south. It's been raining quite a bit here though. They said it's you know, quite green compared to normal, especially this time of year. It's also winter, so. GoPro just quit working for some reason, but wow! I'm trying to get to this place before dark. I'm on this crazy dirt road. It's full of mud, but that is the best sunset. Oh my God! This is the, do it! This is the most amazing thing ever. Like, I'm having the best time in the world. I wish there was a way to adequately convey how amazing this is. That's the ocean. Ah! Oh, man. Okay, that's it. I can't think of a better time than this. I'm signing off. So I'm gonna try to get everything edited up to this point, and we'll start a new episode tomorrow, I suppose. Wow, what an incredible day! Viva la Mexico! Whew. So 5 minutes after I raved about how this was the best day ever, I slipped. It was going pretty fast. It's started to get dark and I couldn't tell if this was all mud. And I slipped and I went down, but I didn't. Everything's good. I broke one of my lights off, but that's fine. Honestly, I that was gonna happen anyway. But I was like, you know, I got back up, kept going, it was all fine. And then I took a wrong turn, ended up at a huge water crossing. I was like, no way, screw that. But I figured out where the bridge is. It's over there, and I started going, and I just slipped and dropped the bike into a mud pit. I finally got it out. I just gotta see if I can get back to where that bridge is. Whew.